award will go towards someone who, against all odds, continue pushing through even when things are really tough. And so for this specific individual, this is their first time doing give-up apps, and also their first time programming as well. They would get stuck on projects, but they didn't give up. They will continue reaching out to mentors for help. And not only that, but their computer is also extremely slow. Trying to just run the Android emulator takes forever to load. And even against all that, they continue working through that. And I'd like to present this award to Kelly. It's amazing watching you push through all that. And I really think you deserve this award.
Thank you so much. Thank you to all the incredible mentors who have helped me so much. And thank you to my amazing team. It's been such a great experience working with everyone, and I've learned so much. Thank you.